Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose. In the Moose is loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Thank you all for tuning back in. We've had 5 videos this week, including this one. So, keeping on track. So what we're going to talk about today is MELD airdrops, and we're going to do a little mini guide. What I want to do is talk about how you can maximize your airdrop rewards. So for those of you that don't know, if you are holding MELD, if you signed up for an account, if you have some activity, you are going to earn some airdrops. Now, I don't know what the total amount will be, but I'm going to give you guys some insight into, potentially how you can earn more. So this isn't a for sure thing, but again, one of the most beautiful things about the crypto space is that there are airdrops, and this is one of the ways where you can get free tokens. In this sense, they would be fungible assets. So I don't know if this is going to be the gold-backed stablecoin on MELD, or I don't know if this is just going to be the new MELD with the red logo. I'm not sure. So comment down below if you guys have any more information. And we're going to get started here very soon. And also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's the best way for us to grow here on the channel. So without further ado, what we're going to do is go to MELD, and I just want to sign into my account first. So we're just going to put in a little password. And if you want, you can go to meld.io. And this is my account. So if you take a look here, you are on app.meld.com. So this is what the website looks like. So if you go to the home page, it is meld.com. You're going to click on MELD app. And that's what we're on right now. So this is the interface. And what you can do to maximize your airdrops is to, for example, you will see an upgrade option. And what you can do is take the gray logo and upgrade your MELD token. So it's not on screen for me, but typically it will be around this area. And for example, if we click on MELD here, perhaps in our activity, so you can see that I've got some activity. That's because I've been utilizing my MELD token. So I'm going to get into some of the ways. And specifically, I recommend you to set up an account. If you haven't done it, go on the channel here. And I know we have a video on it. It is, well, for one, how to migrate your MELD tokens. That's one of the videos. So check that out. But how to set up a MELD wallet on the MELD app, this is it. This is one of the videos. You could also use your common sense and check out the online course. So we do have that Cardano mini course. This will take you from beginner to pro with everything Cardano. What you can do as well, which I recommend, click on this free link. What you will do is get access to the workbook, and you will also get downloadable videos as well. So you can watch it on your phone. You could bring it with you. If you're on a road trip and you're sitting in the back seat, maybe you want to watch this video. So have at it. All it requires you to do is put an email. And yeah, guys, we also have links to all of our courses there. Or if you want, just watch it on YouTube. Whatever you guys want. But the workbook's pretty cool because it helps guide you. It will help you find the links much easier, which is really cool. All right. So back to MELD. So we're on the website. This is the MELD app. So it's pretty cool. It's basically an all-in-one. You could see your NFTs. I'm finding that it's loading much better. So I will give them props. And if we go up here too, I want to talk about the Neobank briefly. So this is the Neobank. So if you haven't done that already, you could sign up for that. And effectively, you can win like 1 million MELD tokens. So that's what the Twitter post is we're going to talk about. So this is what I want to get into. This is why I'm making this video. So all your MELD airdrop questions answered, and how to be eligible, maximizing MELD airdrop, Meldionaire opportunity, rules and guidelines. So that's what we're going to focus our attention on in this video. So we're going to go to this article, and we will have the link in the description below for you. It is the MELD Airdrop one. Okay, so we'll just kind of skim through it. And for example, if you're looking to be eligible for the 1 million MELD Airdrop, this is how you do it. Number one, sign up and validate the meld.fi early access pass. Go to meld.fi.ca, or sorry, go to meld.fi, sign up for the early access pass. You will receive an email code and paste it into the app. So when you get that code, you will paste it right here. So get it now, paste that code here. I have not received my code. I'm not sure why. I don't know if others have received their code. Please comment down below if you've received your code. I have not. I've been waiting. I don't know if it's something that I just have to wait longer or it hasn't come out yet. So guys, please comment down below. I would like to know, right? The moose, I cannot investigate like Batman. I don't have the funds. I don't have the resources, right? I don't have wealthy parents and I don't have the bat cave. I only have the moose cave. That's all I got, right? Crypto Moose in the studio. That's it. I'm not Batman yet. So, back to the article. 2, have a MELD app wallet. So we have videos on the channel showing you how to set that up. Go to go to app.meld.com, create a wallet. We have a tutorial step by step. Log in and then validate the access pass. I showed you where that is, and hold the MELD token. So the main thing is for airdrops and to get the free tokens, you just have to hold MELD. It's not that difficult. So here's an example too of the account. So for example, you will add the access pass and you want to hold a little bit of MELD. And if you hold this much, you are crushing it. You'd be crushing it. I hope some of you are just, just have a ton of money and whatnot. That'd be really cool. All right, so input the access code and you can follow all these steps. I will have a link for you. So connect, send the dollar. So go through all these steps here. But what I want to focus my attention on is maximizing the MELD airdrop. Now, there's only going to be a certain amount of people that win a lot of airdrops, including that million airdrop one. But what I want to do is talk about the airdrop for the on-chain activity specifically. So here we go. The airdrop spans a myriad of on-chain and off-chain activities. Please refer to this down. So on-chain, holding and transferring MELD on Ethereum, Avalanche, and Cardano blockchains. This will maximize your airdrop rewards. Trading MELD on a decentralized exchange. You could use MinSwap, Wing Riders. That's going to help you get more airdrops. Providing liquidity for MELD on a DEX. I've done that. Staking ADA through the MELD app. So it's not available yet. I mean, even if I take a look now, I don't think so. Yeah, coming soon. Not even available yet. Holding and trading MELD NFTs, including Diamond Hand and bank managers. So it's all about the on-chain activity, meaning it is activity on the blockchain, right? So for the Cardano blockchain in this case. For those eager to dabble more actively in MELD's Layer 1, deploy your own ERC20 token. The Moose is not going to do that. I'm not educated enough for that. Yeah. So mint your own ERC 721 NFT, which is pretty cool. Build and run a simple dApp. Yeah, real simple. Real simple. Participate in upcoming testnet. That I might do. So off-chain, take part. So MELD and Air opportunity. In addition to accumulating MELD tokens, participants also stand a chance of becoming a MELD and Air. Prestigious 1 million MELD tokens. And that's a lot of tokens, right? That's a lot of tokens. I don't know what the exact value is. Well, I guess divided by 0.002. So it's, what is that? $2,000 or $20,000. So quite a bit. Rules and guidelines. So what I recommend, this is just what I'm saying that's easy to do, what I know what to do. And we'll start out with the easy one. So if you go to meld.com, so meld.com, that's where you're going to go. I have a link for you. Go to the $meld, and this is where you can buy MELD. So what I recommend is you can go to MinSwap. All right. And I might not do it right now, but if we check out our assets, you can go through Iagon, for example, right? So you can go to Iagon. I'm up a little bit on this position. I have 100,000 meld here. So let's say I want to get some meld. So I sold a little bit here. Let's say I'd want to take even more profits or buy more, right? So I'm going to like update some of this chart stuff too. What you can do to add more activity is, for example, you could sell 10,000 meld or 1,000 meld or 100 meld. And this would add activity, right? So it's all about getting on-chain activity. And this is what's going to increase your airdrop. Comment down below if you guys have even more info on all this. So again, check out this article. It's got all the information you need. Wing Riders. So you can go to Wing Riders. Connect your wallet. You can swap tokens on Wing Rider. So select Meld. Select ADA. So for example, if you have some ADA, you want to buy some Meld, buy 100 worth and do the swap. This is more on-chain activity. So this is where you can really maximize and leverage it. Now, one thing to remember is that there's also multi-chain, right? That's the beautiful thing about Meld, right? So you have, for example, ETH Meld, and you would use Uniswap's DEX. So you can go to Uniswap. I did this already, actually. So I did do this. So I don't know if it might be in my wallet. Yeah, here we go. Trying to make sure I'm on the right network here. So I've got different wallets and stuff. It's kind of chaotic with my ETH. So this is my AVAX one. If I go to the ETH network, so if you don't know anything about this, I have online courses where I believe I talk a bit more about this. Where's my MELD one? This is the one I want to get into. So I did have some activity. I think this is the one. Maybe? This is definitely it. So I did. See, I think I have to import the token name or something. So I did do a swap. I just have to import the token. So perhaps it is down here as well. Let's take a look. So new Cardano. So ETH, Etherscan, so Ethereum. Let's go here for a second. So for example, if you're looking to add a token, here's the contract. So you can copy this. I can go back to my MetaMask. This should allow me to custom token, token symbol meld, add custom token. So you can see my 100 meld. So if you can't find your token, what you can do, what I just did, I just figured it out live right now. Because I'm Crypto Moose. The moose is loose. I've been doing this stuff for a while. So here we'll just import tokens. So that's how you add a token on ETH. And if this is complicated for you, it's okay. This is for more advanced, I would say. So go to ETH on Uniswap, find MELD. So if you have to add the token, I just did it there. You could swap 0.02 ETH or something like 30 bucks. And then you can, pick up some MELD. So this is like a multi-chain activity, or this would be, on-chain activity as well, but for the Ethereum blockchain. What else? So yeah, like that's what I recommend. Just use these, go on MELD and definitely utilize activity. This is what's going to maximize your airdrop. That's what they want to see, right? You can go to Trader Joe, AVAX MELD. I'm trying to figure out that one. I bought, and this is one of my issues with AVAX. I bought AVAX with the Binance Smart Chain, but I did not buy AVAX. And the problem with AVAX Avalanche is that there's the P chain, the C chain, and it's so confusing. That's one of the issues with crypto is Avalanche is confusing as heck. I would say I'm pretty nerdy, and it's a little much. You basically need to be like a coder or somebody who knows what they're doing to use AVAX and swap properly and feel confident. That's my assessment. That's another reason why I like Cardano so much. So if you need to import your token, I just showed you how to do it. you can follow those steps as well. Final thing, if you want to set up a wallet to get things started, again, download the workbook. Pick up a Trezor, guys. I talk about it all the time. This has saved my booty. I don't have a great booty, but look at that. Trezor Model T. You have to buy a vehicle though. So like I bought a Ford Escape. Like I have a vehicle, and that's what allows me to clean my Trezor. So you got to spend 40 grand and get the cleaner, make it look beautiful. Beautiful. So that's all we have for you. We have links in the description below for everything you need. Thank you guys so much. Really does mean the world to me. Hopefully I'm helping you guys out. And just add some activities. At the end of the day, what I recommend for you beginners, just make a couple transactions on MintSwap. Very easy to do. Have a great day.